Hi children, good morning. So today we are going to discuss the second chapter, that is numbers up to 20. In the previous episode we have learned the first chapter, pre-number concepts. So in that chapter we have learned about the different types of concepts, that is basic concepts like big and small, tall and short, heavy and light, above and below, top and bottom, inside and outside, above and under, so etc. These are the some basic concepts we have learned in the first episode, that is in the first chapter. So today we are going to discuss the second chapter, numbers up to 20. In this chapter we are going to discuss how to write, that is how to write the numbers from 1 to 20. So how can we get numbers from 1 to 20? So let us start our session. So that is, let us enter the lesson. So numbers up to 20. Ready, steady. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take a look anywhere. You will find numbers everywhere. So children, we will find numbers everywhere. Daily our life starts with numbers. So you will find numbers everywhere in your surroundings. So without numbers there is no life. So you will find the numbers in your calendar, in your house, and in the wall clock you will find the numbers from 1 to 12, and also you will find the numbers in your digital watch, and also you will find the numbers on the number plate, that means door number on your house wall. So in this way you can find the numbers everywhere, and we will start our life with the numbers. And for example, you will wake up early morning by just seeing your watch and measure how the time is. The time will in numbers. So in this way, every time if we go into the school, so the bell will ring for every 40 minutes, for every each period. So here, 40 minutes, here 40 is a number. So for every 40 minutes, the bell will ring and the period will complete. So and if you go to a cloth shop, so the tailor will take your measurements in numbers. So in every situation we will use numbers. So without numbers, so there is no our life. That means our life is directly linked with the numbers. So just have a look, a small exercise. We will practice a small exercise, children. So look at the picture. So in the picture, so there are given some things. So that is a mango and a dove. It is an auto, and a cow, and it is a spider and a grasshopper. And you are observing here, it is called a nanogon. A nanogon, that means it is a polygon. That means it is a geometrical shape having 9 sides. So if you count the number of sides, then the number of sides are 9. So that's why the name of that geometrical shape is called nanogon. And see the last picture, it is an yellow color picture, and that geometrical shape is called decathlon. And that is, deca means 10, that means it contains 10 sides. So if you count the number of sides for this picture, you will get 10 sides. That way this geometrical shape is named as decathlon. Here deca means 10. So here these are the pictures given in this activity, in this exercise. So we will practice our exercise and we will do. So there are some questions are given. We have to answer those questions based on the above pictures. So the first question, how many seeds are there in a mango? So children, look at the pictures. So how many mango seeds are there? That is 1. So there are one mango seed. That means there is one mango seed in the picture. How many wings has a pretty dove? How many wings has a pretty dove? So every bird, not only a dove, every bird, sparrow, parrot, dove, crow, that you are observing in your daily life, every bird, almost all the birds will have two wings. So how many wings has a pretty dove? The answer is two wings. And read the third question. How many wheels has an auto? So have you observed the auto? While you are going to school, so you will go to the school by, some children will go to their school by auto, by bus. So if you observe the auto, how many wheels an auto have? So see the picture here. So an auto have three wheels. That means one wheel in the front side and two wheels in the back side. Total three wheels. So how many wheels has an auto? Three wheels. And read the fourth question. How many legs has a gentle cow? So children, see the picture of cow. How many legs has a gentle cow? So almost all animals like cow and cat, and if you consider dog and some wild animals, tiger, lion, cheetah. So if you consider most of the animals has four legs. So the answer for the fourth question is four legs. And children, read the fifth question. How many fingers are there on our hand? So children, look at our hand. So we have two hands. And for each hand, how many fingers we have? So children, count the fingers you have. Count the fingers. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. So we have 5 fingers. So each hand will have 5 fingers. So the answer for the question is 5 fingers. How many fingers are there on our hand? So our hand will have 5 fingers. So each hand will have 5 fingers and both hands will have a total of 10 fingers. So children, read the next question. So how many legs has a grasshopper? Children, have you ever seen the grasshopper? So see the picture here. So that is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth one from the left side. So observe the picture. How many legs has a grasshopper? If you carefully observe the picture of grasshopper, so a grasshopper have total 6 legs. That is, it has 4 small legs in its front side and 2 big legs at its back side. So total 6 legs. So 4 small legs at its front side and 2 big legs at its back side. So total 6 legs a grasshopper have. So the answer for the question is, how many legs has a grasshopper? A grasshopper has total 6 legs. The answer is 6 legs. So children, read the next question. How many days are there in a week? Children, can you say the answer for this? How many days are there in a week? So can you tell the days in a week first? So very good. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So these are the days in a week. So how many days in a week? Very good. Total we have 7 days. So a week have 7 days. That is, it is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, so Saturday and Sunday. Total we have 7 days. So how many sides are there in a nanogon? So children, see the picture, that is second picture from the right side in the above. So in the above they have given some pictures. If you observe the second picture from the right side, that is having nearly a circle like shape. So how many sides it have? It is not a circle. So because it has sides. So how many sides it has? So count the number of sides. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this picture have total 9 sides. Side means the straight lines. So how many straight lines it has? It has a total of 9 straight lines. So those straight lines are called sides. So this picture is called as nanogon. Nano means 9. So since it has 9 sides, this geometrical shape is called nanogon. So the answer for that question is, how many sides are there in a nanogon? So the answer is 9 sides. So children, read the last question. How many events make a decathlon? So children, read see the last picture, which is in yellow color. So it is also look like a circle, but it is not called a circle because it has some straight lines around it. Those straight lines are called sides. So carefully count the sides. So now we are going to count. That is 1. This is the first side. It is 2. That is second side. So that is third side, fourth side, fifth side, sixth side, seventh side, eighth side, ninth side, 10th side. So it has a total of 10 sides. That means it has a total of 10 straight lines around it. So since it has a 10 sides, this geometrical shape is called decathlon. Deca means 10. So since it has 10 sides, it is named as decathlon. So the answer for the last question is 10 sides. So children, so this is about a small exercise before going to learn about the numbers from 1 to 20. That means we will learn the numbers just by counting. So from this activity we have learned that, we have understood that the numbers can easily learned by counting, just by counting. So children, have you ever count the number of children in your class? How can you count? So you can count with starting with 1, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. So just like in this way, we can learn the numbers easily by counting. So by counting the objects or things, we can learn the numbers. So children, so let us go to the next part in this. So children, so write the answers. How many seeds are there in a mango? So a mango, so there are 1 mango. The answer is 1. So how many wings a pretty dove have? So it has 2 wings. The answer is 2. So how many wheels has an auto? An auto has 3 wheels. So the answer is 3. So how many legs has a gentle cow? A cow has 4 legs. So the answer is 4. So how many fingers are there in our hand? So there are 5 fingers in our hand. So how many legs has a grasshopper? So it has a total 6 legs, 4 small legs and 2 big legs. So how many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week. So the answer is 7. How many legs has a spider? So children, how many legs has a spider? So look at the picture. Here is a spider. So this is a spider. So if you count the number of legs, so count the number of legs for a spider in the picture. 1. This is second leg 2. Third leg 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So a spider has a total of 8 legs. So spider has a total 8 legs. So the answer is 8. So how many sides are there in nanogon? So nano means 9. So it has a total of 9 sides. So the answer is 9. So how many events make a decathlon? So deca means 10. So how many sides will it have? It have 10 sides. So the answer is 10. So this is a small activity before we are going to learn about the numbers. So from this we have understood that numbers can be easily learned by counting the things around us. So children, so go to the next part in this